All my instructions to my models you can find under my videos. In this video I'm gonna show you the Mitsubishi L200 with the launcher from a downed helicopter. So let's see this model from each side. Very nice model, guys. It's really incredible vehicle and actually very simple, but the looking is really good, really nice. Just look at this incredible shape. It looks like a real prototype of the Mitsubishi L200. Very nice model. Just look at this. Incredible looking. Very nice. I really like it. That's one of my favorite vehicles in my collection in 1/35 scale. Also, let's see the features of the model. We can open the doors from each side. Just like that. From behind of the model, we can open also this door. Just like that. Very nice looking. Very nice. Also there is a simple interior inside. As you can see, there is just a wheel. Very nice model, very nice looking. Very cool. And also we can move the launcher on the model. It rotates in 360 degrees without any stacking. Very nice. Very cool, very cool model. And also we can put this vehicle in combat position. Just move these ports under the model, just like that. Yeah. So let's close these doors. And another features. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me? Just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time. Yes!